What are you most missing from being at your bench?
The smell. Uh,
Oh, that's a good one.
yeah, the smell of the wood shops. All the wood shops have this particular smell. So in Portland, I was bartending full time, and then I was also apprenticing at this wood shop near my house. So I would go there when I could, and I kind of just uh, ran a pretty, I mean, I guess not the healthiest schedule, working until like 2 or 3 in the morning, and then being at the wood shop at like 7 or 8 in the morning.
Hmm.
But at the same time, you can't deny when something, is reaching out to you and it's like you're thinking about it, it's a new passion. So I wanted to flip flop that around. I wanted to be a woodworker full time. I'm super passionate about it, very curious about it, especially, in the early stages when something is kind of just starting. And North Bennett was the platform to kind of be like, all right, let's do this. And teaching me about tools and just hearing it from people that have been doing it and that are really good at it. It's another one of those things like being a musician, where uh, you get back as much as you put in. And it's a lot of fun. It's not easy. It's really not easy at all. um, but if you can kind of look at mistakes and rewire that word to be like, it's not a mistake, it's something telling you that you need to do something different. It's all in the process, and I see how these pieces of the puzzle all fit together to
Hmm.
form this solid foundation that works to make you something that you want to be.